Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making baklava. The ingredients on the screen right here: pistachio, sugar, Filo pastry and ghee. The full amounts are in the description. Okay guys, so we just grinded the pistachios and sugar together, and now we're gonna move on. Okay, so we just unwrapped the Filo, and we also put some ghee on the baking pan. And now we're gonna put the Filo onto the baking pan, and we're just gonna smear some ghee all over it. Okay guys, so at the end we have added 16 layers of Filo and 3 layers of pistachios. So yeah, now we're gonna cut off the edges to make it look cooler, and we don't need the excess stuff. Okay guys, so now we have removed the edges off, and we put it in between the layers. So yeah, now we've added the extra ghee, and yeah, make sure to remove all the excess ghee that was not absorbed by the Filo. So yeah, now we're just gonna cutting it into pieces. Now preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius, and yeah, every 10 minutes or so, move it in a circular motion, and yeah, after a while you'll have an even color, and it'll be ready. Okay guys, for you guys who didn't understand how we cut it, it's right over here. We just did it like this. Okay, so now we've added some sugar syrup, and if you want the ingredients to that, it's gonna be in our last video, so go check that out. It's gonna be on the screen right now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye bye.